Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony, currently making a video. While I probably shouldn't be making a video right now, but I am driving home from work. I will stop making these videos because I know that I've gotten a lot of crap from you guys to focus on driving and not do this, right? But I wanted to make this video because it is pretty important. Today, because of CPI, you actually have the NASDAQ breaking long term. This is the biggest downtrend that you had on the NASDAQ. Again, remember, we were perfectly divergent here. We have officially broken that huge downtrend that started back in December 2021. And I think that as of right now, we are essentially looking at moving another 5 to 6% on big tech. I think that as of right now, we are going to be hitting this resistance point at 13,606, which would match up with the SPX 500. Possibly looking at, yeah, so there you go. Just broke to the upside, 421. 430 is going to be the next resistance for the SPY. And I think for the NASDAQ, we are looking at going towards, which is basically all big tech, right? You just broke it. You're probably going to go here. I don't think you're going to see a lot of resistance at 13.6. I actually think we're headed back over 14,000 on the NASDAQ. So as of right now, I am extremely bullish on on the market as a whole. I'm extremely bullish on the NASDAQ, extremely bullish on SPY going to 430. And you guys already, if you saw my video earlier today, I do think that there's a very huge possibility that we go to $450 within the next month and a half, or really before the next CPI report. I think there's a really good chance that you see 440, 450 before next CPI. So a lot of really good stuff going on. And I think as of right now, if you look at Ethereum, it's probably running to, yeah, there you go. You actually closed, look at that. It's up there. And then also if you look at the dollar, right, the DXY, it looks like it's dumping massively. Oh, it actually is pushing a little bit to the upside. So it is pushing a little bit, not so massively, but I do think that as of right now, we are pretty much set at moving another 5-6%. For the NASDAQ, which basically means that big tech will see another 5% rise. So Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Netflix, probably Facebook, Meta, all that stuff, Google. I think that, you know, all big tech can see another 5-6% rise to the upside within the next month or so. So I am positioning myself appropriately, you know, to witness that 5-6% run on really any big tech ticker that we can possibly see. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.